Welcome to your very own paradise here in Clearwater, Florida. I'm at 3018 Prestige Drive. I'm Grant Gaitis, the Gaitis Home Team. Come on in and check it out. My three favorite things about our newest listing is that it's move-in ready. It also has a wonderful pool, and location-wise, it's 2 minutes away from Safety Harbor and just minutes away from the best beaches in the country. Come find your dream with the Gaitis team.